friends, I'm back. Today we are going to start our addition of large numbers. Okay? So today I have a number in which we have 6 digits. Another number which is again we call it addend. It has again 6 digits and we are going to add these bigger numbers. So how we will add? What are these steps? First we are going to write their places. As I see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. So we will place 6 places in their order. So places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. Now, second rule. When we place number, always place digit from right to left. So this is 1 at the right place, then 8, then 9, then 7, 6 and 4. Let's go to other addend and we are going to place it in a same way. From right side to left side. Our first digit in second addend is 2, then 4, 6, 9, 4, 6. Now we have placed our addends and now we are going to add them. These are my addend. This is also my addend. And what I am going to find? My sum. When we add addend, we get sum of the numbers. 2 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 will be carry forward or carry over, 9 and 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 6 will be here and 1 will be carry to the next place, 9 and 1, 10 plus 7, 17, then again 1 as a carry over, 6 and 4, 10 and 1, 11 and 1 again here, 6 plus 4, 10 and 1, 11. Now 2-digit number, that means we would be having one more place which is 10 lakh place. Fine. So what is our sum? Let's read the number. We added what? We added 4,67,981 and 6,49,642. Together when we add them both, we get 11,17,623 as sum. Okay? Let's take one more example where we have 3 addends. So let's add. As we write first places, so we are going to write their places first. So we have these numbers. Let's read them first. 43,914, 3,719, 402. Now we are going to add all 3 addends. Now we are going to place their places first. So this is the greatest number. So it is still 5 places. So I am going to place all 5 places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Now digits from right to left. Our first number is 43,914. So let's place this. 4, 1, 9, 3 and 4. Now our second addend is 3,719. So let's place this. 9, 1, 7 and 3. Now there is nothing at this place, at 10,000's place. So you can fill it with 0 to avoid any mistake. Okay. Now we have 402. So let's place this. 2, 0 and 4. Now we have these 2 places blank. So it will be filled again by 0 so that you will not make any mistake. Okay. So let's add these addends. Again I tell you, this is your addend 1. This is your addend 2. And this is your addend 3. Let's add all 3 addends. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 2, 15, 5 and 1 will be carried forward. So let's add 1, 2 and 3. This is 3. Now 9 and 7, 16, 16 and 4, 20. So 20, 0 will come and 2 will be carried forward. Now and 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 0 again 8. And this will be 4 plus 0 will be 4. So, what is your sum? This is your sum. So, this is your answer. And the answer is 48,035. Alright. Now, after understanding addition, we will start with subtraction. Now, we have few rules to understand. First rule says, the number from which we subtract is called the minute one. So, the bigger number from which we subtract is called the minute one. Next rule says, the smaller number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. Or you can say, the smaller number which is subtracted from the bigger number. That is called subtrahend. Then, answer of subtraction is called difference. As answer of addition is called sum, that way answer of subtraction is called difference. Alright? Okay. So, we can take an example. I have 3,749, another number 2,350, and now we are going to subtract them. So, the bigger number from which we are subtracting is called minute one. The number which we are going to subtract from the larger number or the bigger number is called subtrahend, and their answer will be difference. So, when we subtracted these both numbers, we got 1,434 as difference. Alright. Now, the next rule says, when we subtract 0 from any number, difference is the number itself. I mean to say, when you subtract 0 from any of the number, for example, I have taken here 71. If I subtract 0 from 71, the difference will be 71 itself or the number itself. Next rule says, we cannot interchange numbers in subtraction. That's very true. In addition, we can do that, but in subtraction, we cannot do that. Because if I talk about addition, 4 plus 5 equals to 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Alright? But if I say, here I am taking an example, 470 minus 70 is not at all equal to 70 minus 470. You can subtract this smaller number from this bigger number. But here you cannot subtract 470 from 70. So, here we should not do like this. Okay? So, we cannot interchange numbers in subtraction. Alright? Let's take one more example of subtraction. So now I have bigger numbers as we are in class 5. So we are going to deal with bigger numbers or larger numbers. Here I have an example of these bigger numbers. First I am marking periods as I tell you always. So then I have placed my both the numbers and now I am going to subtract. So the number is 8,39,141. The next number is 7,69,316. Let's subtract them. So, can you subtract 6 from 1? No, we have to borrow. So, this 1 will become 11 and this will become 3, right? 11 minus 6 will be 5. 3 minus 1 will be 2. Here also we cannot subtract 3 from 1. So, 1 will become 11 and this 9 will become 8. So, 11 minus 3, 8. Can you subtract 9 from it? No. So, let's borrow tens and it will be 2. 18 minus 9 will be 9. Again, we cannot subtract 6 from 2. So, it will borrow from lakhs place. So, 12 minus 6 will be 6 and this will be 7. 7 minus 7 will be 0. So, finally, what did you get as difference? It is 69,825. This is your difference. Okay? Now children, I have taken an example where we are going to perform both addition and subtraction together. It happens sometimes we get such kind of problems or situation where we have to perform both the operations together. So, let's take an example. Here we can see 3 bigger numbers are given. So let's start solving this. First we see the numbers, the first number is 50,326. The next number is 28,944. And according to the question, we have to subtract the first two numbers. So let's subtract. 6 minus 4 will be 2. We cannot subtract 4 from 2, so we have to borrow. 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 4 will be 8. And this becomes 2. Now 2 will borrow from here, but it is already 0. So first thousandth place will borrow from 10,000th place. It will become 10. Now 2 can borrow from thousandth place, right? So this becomes 12 now. 12 minus 9 will be 3. And as 2 already borrowed from thousandth place, this 10 become now 9. 9 minus 8 will be 1. And as thousandth place borrowed from 10,000 place, so it is now 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So we have got the number in which we are going to add the next number. So according to the question, now these two numbers will be added as per the sign. So 2 plus 2 will be 4. 8 plus 1 will be 9. 8 plus 3 will be 11. 1 will be here and 1 will come at thousandth place. 9, 10 and 11 again. Carry forward 2 and 1. 3. Here you can put 0 just to balance the number. So this was the difference of these two numbers. And this is the sum. But finally the answer of this question is 31,194. Okay. So children, today we have covered our addition of large numbers, rules of subtraction, subtraction of large numbers, and addition and subtraction together in one problem. So hope you have understood these concepts well. Now I will meet you in my next session where I will tell you about statement problems, word problems or story problems, which all are same thing, and these all things we experience in our real life. So we will be solving these problems using addition and subtraction. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.